What's up guys, Babatunde Omotawa here, and today's video we'll be talking about the unboxing and first impression of the Oraimo PowerStation 600. Actually, I have it with me since last year, November. Oraimo sent it to me for a review, and ever since I've not been able to, check it out because I bought this camera that I'm using to record, this Sony camera, and I had to study and know how to use it, and I was still doing some things then. So I couldn't juggle everything together, but right now I have the time. And anytime I'm making review, that's why I don't see much of power banks review on my channel. Whenever I'm making power bank reviews or battery reviews or inverter reviews or something that has to do with storing energy, battery related, I always give it time. Like I take time to use it and take time to record everything, how it behaves and everything about it. And this is not an exception. Without wasting much of time, let's talk about the unboxing and first impression of the Oraimo PowerStation 600. Let's see what's inside. Let's get down to business. First of all, let's talk about the price of this Oraimo PowerStation 600. It is going for 490,000 Naira on Oraimo eShop website. You can get yours over there, but make sure you use the discount code bracket in order for you to enjoy 5% discount instantly. Yes, and this code also works for all Oraimo products. And also if you are in countries like Ghana, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria, yes, you can also use it there. And other countries are coming up, so just watch out for that. Thank you so much for using the discount code to get all you want from Oraimo website. So let's unbox this guy. Let's see what's inside. I noticed that some of you want to know if you are going to get a solar panel with it, like something like this. Okay. So this solar panel doesn't come with heat. You are getting only this pack. You are getting only the PowerStation 600 itself. So if you want to get the solar panel, you can go on Jumia or Gigi to get it. You can get the one of 300 watts, the one that supports 300 watts. You can get the one of 60 watts. You can get the one of, there are a lot of watts there. So depending on the one you can afford. But they said you can actually use a charger that supports 300 watts to charge up this guy. That is the solar panel, the foldable solar panel. All right, so from the pack here you can see it comes with the Oraimo PowerStation diagram at the front, PowerStation 600 portable power station with the model number OPS 5601, and it says uninterrupted power supply, powering anytime. And at the back here you can see it's also the same diagram and everything written at the front. So by this side here, you are going to see the features of this Oraimo Power Station. And it says 10 output ports, multi-input ways, up to 3,500 cycles life. That is, you can charge and discharge 3,500 times. And it says dual lamp design. You are going to see that in the full review video. Smart temperature controlled fan. That means it comes with a fan that actually help you to control the temperature of this unit. And 2 hours photovoltaic fast charging. Sold in 60 plus countries and keep exploring with Oraimo. So that's basically everything you're going to find around the pack. So opening it up, voila. So this is how it looks. And we can just bring it out this way. It's quite heavy. Oh, so here is the first thing, and these are just packings. So what we have here, that's all. So the first item you are going to see here is the Oraimo PowerStation manual. So you can go through this, and here is the cable for charging it up. So it comes to UK plug type, as you can see here, UK plug type, and this end, you just plug it to the side of the power station. And here is the charger for charging this guy up if you are using the solar panel. As you can see here, if you are using the solar panel, the foldable one, you can use this guy to charge it up. So that is basically everything you are going to find in the pack. And now to the main guy, the star of the show, come wrapped up in this polythene bag. And here is it. This is the back view of it. You can see the power button for turning on this guy. That is turning on the flashlight. And on top of it, you can see it's written Oraimo. Let me turn it this way so that I can see it. It's written Oraimo on top of it. And at the front here, you can see it comes with all these pots. So remove the polythene bag or the sticker, whatever you want to call it. You can see how nice this guy looks. And this is the car charger port here. So this is the car charger port, and we are going to be testing that later in the full review video. You see all of that, and it comes with DC on and off, DC on and on switch. And here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USB ports, 5 USB ports which you can turn on and turn off here. And it comes with switch for this light. Okay, so that is pretty much everything you're going to find at the front of the Oraimo PowerStation. Underneath it, you are going to see the specification of this Oraimo PowerStation. Everything here. There's nothing much, and it comes with rubber stamp so that it can, you know, stand on flat surfaces or glossy places, so it's not going to be shaking or moving anyhow. It's quite heavy, a little bit, and guys, I need to tell you that this guy is ready to work. By the side of it here is the fan grill. So, and you can see it is written 600 watts power station. So if you open this place up, you can see the port for plugs that you can, you know, use to power up your stuff. This is the AC on and off to power it or power your devices. So for this side of the power station, you are going to see the AC input, the overload protection, and the solar or car input. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. As you can see the port here, this is the AC input. This is where you are going to put this your cable that came along with it. You are going to plug this end to this place like this and charge it up. So let me just keep that aside. Let me remove it so that you can see this. This is the overload protection button here, and here is the solar panel charger. So you can use this. As you can see, this is the first end, and this is the one you are going to plug to your solar panel charger. So you just plug it this way. Look at the orientation. You plug it this way, and you connect it to your solar panel. All right. So the one that you got from Gigi. So that is pretty much it. And turning it on. Let's turn this guy on. Let's see here. As you can see, it is turned on, and this guy is showing 68. That means the power percentage or the percentage of energy in it right now is 68. So I have to charge it up before I start using it. And it comes with information on the screen. That is LED information of whatever you are using. Okay, it's going to be showing you here. The total amount is going to be showing you here. And I really like that it comes with such, so I can know what is going out and what it is consuming at each point in time. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I have to charge up this guy. In the full review video, I'll be putting everything on it. It will be powering my TV, powering my laptop, and everything that I can get to power it. There are some things it can power, there are some things it cannot power. So it's written in the manual in case you don't know. Not everything. It can power your microwave, it can power your oven, it can power some things that are too big for it. It's just 600 watts. Okay, so you should know what you are going to be using it to do. So once I charge it up, we'll start my testing immediately. If you have any question about this Oraimo PowerStation, please drop it down there in the comment section and I will reply you. If I can't reply immediately, I'm going to make sure I talk about it in the full review video. So I'll be waiting for your questions. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that I can get notified once I post new videos like this one. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.